assuming this is not broken, because I have the worst luck getting monitors on eBay. And this is packed very loosely. It's here! So, you can't even see it because of the lighting. I'm running over bubble wrap. So you can't see it very well because of the lighting. This, my friends, is a black rectangle. This is the PlayStation 3 television. This is the 120 hertz Simulview television for the PlayStation 3, where you could have split screen on the same screen without the person seeing the other person's screen. So I think it looks really cool too. You can't see it a whole lot because of the lighting, but like it's got speakers on the side, I believe. It's just a nice sleek design. It's just a basic LCD TV, really. But it technically supports 120 hertz in some capacity. I don't think you can use like use it as like proper 120 hertz on PC. But we had one of these at the GameStop I worked at, and it was always really cool. It wasn't, you know, the best TV in the world, but something purpose-built for the PlayStation like this was always pretty sick. And I actually, this is the second one, excuse me, I have ordered. The first one arrived completely shattered, as most monitors I order from eBay do. So this one seems to be in one piece. I'm hoping to get it hooked up. If you all want, at the end of the stream, we can hook it up to a PS3 and hook it up. I have been trying to get one of these for a few years now. Like I said, this is the second one. I ordered one about a year ago, because I ordered this, and actually this monitor back here, which I have not talked about yet. I ordered both of these in summer 2020, and both of them arrived with shattered panels. And so I am stoked to finally have one here. I'm going to get it wall mounted somewhere or something with the little PS3 below it. I got a PS3 Slim. I think I can hook up to it, or maybe I should hook up the fat one to it. I don't know yet. But I'm stoked to check it out. I even have, and that is what this other box here, the 3D glasses for it. I don't know. There were two different kinds of glasses released for this TV. So these are the passive Simulview glasses. So these do not require hooking up to power or to the TV or anything like that. Like, they should let you just view the split screen on its own without needing any sort of connectivity. But they also had some wired 3D glasses. So these may work for the Simulview, but not for 3D. Whereas I think this could do 3D with the right glasses. This is just for the Simulview. But basically, my wife and I can wear these, and we can play split screen on the same screen without seeing each other's screen and without sacrificing physical screen space, which I think is pretty wild. But yeah, I wanna hook it up, see if I can clock it to 120 hertz on the PC, and test it with the PS3. I am very stoked. I've been trying to pick this up for a very long time. I've wanted one ever since I was working at GameStop. Because we had, like I said, we had one there mounted on the display, and my plan was, because I knew the next generation consoles were coming, that I would wait till that point and then just try to take home the display model that we had at GameStop for my own. I ended up parting ways with GameStop before we got to that point. And so I never got to, and then tried a couple times and just couldn't afford the eBay listings at the time. And then, like I said, I tried summer of last year and got one that was shattered. And so now we finally have one in the house.